What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. On today's video we're going to be customizing our text field to accept only numbers. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Well, you might need to customize your text field for several reasons per se. Well, let's say a calculator app, it only needs users to insert numbers, right? So what you have to do is to make sure that you create a customized text field that will accept only numbers, because your application requests to have only numbers, right? So what you have to do right now is to go ahead and create a new project, and it has to be an XML document. Now let's name it numbers customization. Right, here it is. Now that you're done with creating this, what you have to do is to double click on our XML document, and it will take you to the scene builder so that we may edit everything and create our text field. Alright, let's create that text field. Alright, let's name it numbers only. Right, what you have to do right now is to navigate through this where it says code, and then let's give it an FX ID. Our FX ID can be numbers. Now what you need to look for is to find a method that says onKeyType. Right, now in this onKeyType, this is where we're going to check our input, whether it's a number or not, so that we make sure that whatever the user enters, it is not a number. So what you have to do right now is to make controller, so that everything is added in our XML document controller. And let's delete this method right here and the label as well. Alright, so I need you to pay close attention to what I'm going to do right now. Now this if statement, it uses a regex character matcher to match your whatever key that you type against this string. This string is simple, it simply refers to a character which is not a number. So what you have to do right now, I'm going to explain this code into details. The event is this event which is the key event whenever you type something. Alright, now we say if this typed event, or from this event we get the character that is being typed. Right? Why aren't we getting a string? Is because we want to make sure that every character that has been typed is a number. Right, so the character that you get from this event, you have to match it against this string. Right, so this string basically symbolizes a string of numbers which are a string of elements which are non-numbers. Right, so whenever you type something that's not a number, what has to happen is the event has to be consumed, meaning the key that you have just typed has to be consumed. Alright, so to make this a little bit interesting, we can add some red flags right here. Let's say it style numbers dot Okay, get style right here. Oh, sorry about that. It is actually numbers dot set style. Alright, so this style is an actual CSS style in our fxml document. So first of all, we have to create the prefix fx, then you go ahead and create, let's place a border color which is red. Now whenever you type something, a string that or a character that is not a number, it will change into a red back or a red border color. So let's create an else. So what you need to do is to change this red into blue. So whenever you type something that is a number, then it will accept it and your border color will be blue. Okay, so now that we are done with this, let's check it out and test if it works. If you haven't done so, please subscribe on my channel to get more videos on this JavaFX application development, and please leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Alright, here it is. Remember what you said. It has to turn red and consume every character whenever you type something that is not a number. But when you type something that's a number, it has to turn blue and also type everything. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to open an on-screen keyboard. So here it is right here. I'm going to type something that's not a number, and it is not working right as we had planned. Now let's type a number and see if it works. Alright, here it is. It is working, everybody. And thank you for watching my videos, and please subscribe and leave a thumbs up on the video if you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.